Hey guys, this is just a reminder that today is the very last day of the Kickstarter campaign for Headstamp Publishing's newest book, Tiger Stripe, The Vietnam Camouflage Story by Owen Thornton. It is a massive, fantastic book, more than, well, nearly 800 pages, thousands of different images, a tremendous number of tiger stripe camouflage artifacts, uniforms, and so much more, covering everything from the very early predecessors to tiger stripe, like French lizard, through the many different variations used by the Vietnamese and American forces in Vietnam. Now, after the Kickstarter campaign ends, of course, we will be finishing up the editing on the book, adding in all of the stretch goal material that we've gotten over the course of the Kickstarter, and it is a bunch of them, and we'll be sending it off to the printer. The book will become available through our website as soon as the Kickstarter is over. However, that means the discounts on it go away. We are offering it, everything in this Kickstarter is offered at a discount for the Kickstarter, and those convert to retail prices on our website as of tomorrow. So if you're interested in this, if you want the whole book, if you want the collector's edition that comes with a ton of cool extras, patches, the tiger stripe camouflage pattern booklet, which by the way is also available as a standalone item, and its price does also go up to our retail price tomorrow on the website. If you want the partner book From Hartford to Vietnam on Colt AR-15 development, all of these things are still available on the Kickstarter campaign. We'd love to end it really good and strong. The link to that Kickstarter is down in the description text below. Check it out if you haven't already, and if you saw it and thought, I'll get back to that, well, today is your last day to get back to it. Thanks for watching.